We're in the BBMP war room at the corporation headquarters in Bengaluru. Officers here monitoring data, getting data around the clock, and really using technology in many ways. Using technology to kind of get a fix on what is going on in the city. What you're seeing on the screen there and here is one of the containment zones in the city of Bengaluru, Padarayanapura. Yukesh is training here as an IAS trainee, and Hepzibah is the nodal officer in charge of the war room. What's going on here? What can we see here?
Yeah, so based on the locations of the COVID positive patients in the containment zone, this is what we call as a time series.
Yes.
So if we see this Padarayanapura, the first case came on April 6th.
Yes.
Now here, using the exact locations GPS based to an accuracy of 5 meters, we have plotted it on a GIS layer, which helps us understand the progression of cases in this clustered containment zone,
Okay.
which as of now has 46 cases.
46 cases.
So all
right now.
46
Also, it's come
cases,
up.
yes.
It's increasing.
So starting from April 6th now, going on to April 19th.
Yes, yes.
Onwards. So if we go, we can see the progression, and this is actually called as a heat map. So the color starts with yellow, and as there is a more concentration of cases, it gradually moves on to a red color. So at the end of it, which is like today's date, we'll see
You
this.
see there, there's a red,
the red spots are what we are the most concentrated cases. So now this helps us to plan a strategy of testing also around it. We know that this is kind of an area which has most concentration.
Yes.
So that is where we start the testing. Now, with the help of Madam, we have actually been working with ISC Bangalore. So we have simulation models using all this data. So they kind of simulate, how progression may start. Though there is a decision to test everyone, but the priority of tests where we should start with is come from.
Very clear. So, I mean, this is really using technology in a big way. Bengaluru Smart City, but this is being used on the ground to tackle something in this latest challenge, COVID-19, really.
Maya, you know that we have out of the 188 cases that we have in the city, we have 46 in this cluster.
In this one cluster alone.
This one cluster, and there is another cluster, Hongsandra, which has another 20 plus cases. So these two clusters have been the critical zones. So we have been identifying what are the ways and means to effectively contain the spread of transmission in these two clusters. So we had done the health profiling of all the people in these clusters.
Okay.
We have also got ground level information about the households that are there, the number of houses on each street, the people with comorbid conditions.
Okay.
And accordingly, like it is explained, we have prioritized on a time scale who has to be tested first, so that we identify the most likely positive case.
Okay.
And we have done all this on a GIS layer. The S3 India people have been with us. IASC has done the simulation that is necessary, and we have proposed a couple of solutions which Commissioner BBMP has suggested to us, and we are working on it so that we have the right target to identify the positive cases and
Test accordingly.
use technology.
Is there now going to be mass testing in this area? What is the plan?
Yes, a decision has been taken to go for a mass testing. And so this is an adaptive model, like I was saying. The ISC's one is adaptive model. So as we take tests, and if there are negative cases, so that model will also learn that we need not test there. It's adapt. So it will suggest us a greater other strategies. And there, say if there are positive cases coming, so then it will suggest us that
More testing
has to be done. That is how that model will also adapt, and then our layers will also adapt based on the testing strategy.
The technology helps us to be real time and dynamic on a spatial mode. So we are trying to do the time series and spatial series on real time basis, and ensure that we don't have any gap left behind. Tracing, testing, and treating is very important. In that sequence, we are trying to identify the right people who have to be treated, the right people who have to be tested, and the right household which has to be identified and tested first.
Absolutely, because this even indicates which household, which household has the most cases. Absolutely fantastic. So technology being used here in Bengaluru at the BBMP war room, tackling COVID-19, a visual representation really of this one containment zone. It helps to decide who is tested, where the test should be done, how many tests should be done. the use of technology coming in very, very handy indeed in this battle against COVID-19. With Govind Murthy, Maya Sharma in Bengaluru for NDTV.